refrigerators, refrigerators, refrigerators. Noun. Definition: an appliance or compartment which is artificially kept cool and used to store food and drink. Modern refrigerators generally make use of the cooling effect produced when a volatile liquid is forced to evaporate in a sealed system in which it can be condensed back to liquid outside the refrigerator. Example: it was used in the days before refrigerators to keep food cool and store ice blocks gathered in winter.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.